Ubiquitous, ubiquitous, Ubiquitous. Ubiquitous. With the 20th Party Congress coming up next year, that's when it's decided whether he'll have another 5 years, or 10 years, or even an indefinite president for life decision. I think he feels he has to be as nationalist on Taiwan as possible to shore up his credibility, because he's made a lot of domestic enemies. And China has gone from being authoritarian, arguably, back to totalitarian with ubiquitous surveillance technology. So the guy is feeling brittle, and Taiwan is an obvious nationalist sort of lever to pull. Ubiquitous, widespread, and appearing and seeming to be everywhere. Used as an adjective.